Mae'r dasg yn syml. Mae rhaid I Cei Connah wneud yn well na'r seintiau newydd, a maen nhw'n bencampwyr. Wrth I hanes cael ei greu yma ar S4C a ninnau am y tro cyntaf mewn 10 mlynedd yn mynd I gêm ola'r tymor. Da iawn gan Chris Owens os oedd yn bwriadu honna, ardderchog I lwybr Disney. A Aaron Edwards as y postyn pella, mae'r peniad yn fewn gan Horan. Oedd y capten Di symud fyny ac am arwyddocaol allai'r gol honna fod. Y cychwyn delfrydol oedd y pencampwyr am I gael.
Mae'n gweld ar y cae, felly na I nid o mynd o Horan. Mae yn yr awydd digon hir I Horan amseru y hediad y bel a sesu'r bel a'r pwen na wedyn I benio I nôl lle mae'n dod o. Gret o ddechrau.
Mewn i'r hanner awr ola. Yr un gol yn ddigon. Esa 2 yn gymaint o ryddhad. Mewn hi eto! Mae Horan yn cyrraedd popeth. Mae'n cyrraedd popeth.
Dycha mae o mor bwerus efo'r hediad na. No, mae'n gwnawn cyrraedd na. Ond ti isio wedyn cyrraedd y bel gynta.
Ac o dan yn pwynt sylwebu ni, da ni'n clywed ido Andy Morrison. Dim byd llai, y bel gan Insel. Morris. Davies. Aaron Edwards! Aaron Edwards! Mae'r rhaid wedi sgorio'r gol sy'n sicrhau y pencampwriaeth I Cei Connah ac yn torri calon I gyn glwb. Aaron Edwards, a sbiwch ar y dathlu, maen nhw'n gwybod, maen nhw wedi gwneud digon, maen nhw'n mynd I fod yn bencampwyr eto.
Wel, o'na sgript. I'r dyn yma oedd y sgript sy'n mynd I ennill I ddegfad pencampwriaeth heddiw. Aaron Edwards, edrycha sut mewn i'w gostio dwi'n gael o I mewn yn hwyr, yn amseriad yn berffaith I ganol y gol na. Mae'r peniad yn un rhydd. Felly mae'n gwneud wneud, oce, rhaid fi fynd am y gornel taro'r gol, neud y gol o'r weithio, mae'n neud hynny, ond mae'r bel yn mynd o ddiwrth Ashley Morris yn y gol ac i'r gornel. Campus o'r rediad gan Aaron a clefar sydd nath o redag I fewn yn yr amser cywir.
Fuodd na fwy o ddathlu erioed y tymor hwn. Mae wedi gweld carden felen am hyn. Wff di hynny, meddai Aaron Edwards. Sbewch arnyn nhw, maen nhw'n dathlu, maen nhw yn gwybod, da ni yn llathenni ola marathon tymor uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. Cyran, a mae'r chwiban yn cael I chwythu. Ac am yr ail dymor ynol, tîm George Horan ydi pencampwyr. A het y cadeirydd Mike Harris am ben yr rheolwr Andy Morrison. Fo ydi sheriff uwch gyngrau'r Cymru I dîm o sydd I tanio I ffordd I frig yr uwch gyngrau'r. A maen nhw'n mynd I flasu hon oherwydd bod hi'n bencampwriaeth sy'n dod ar ôl tymor llawn. Sgôr derfynol, Pen-y-bont dim. Cei Connah'r pencampwyr 2. Mae hyn yn hyfryd, yn dydi? Parch gan Pen-y-bont, dyledus barch I dîm sy'n heiddi parch, I ymdrech sy'n heiddi parch. Mae'r bubbles yn disgyn am ben Cei Connah. Nhw unwaith yn rhagor, heb gwestiwn y tymor hwn, ydi pencampwyr uwch gyngrau'r Cymru 2020, 2021.
Andy, champions of Wales for the second season in a row. Can you sum up how you're feeling right now?
I'm incredibly proud. It'll probably sink in later on. You know, watching the players, there are a lot of people I've got fantastic relationship with over many years, and a bunch of lads I'm incredibly proud of. It'll sink in later, but for the minute, you know, it's special. It's
been such a relentless, such a long season. What would you say was the defining moment for you?
The defining moment was the massacre at Park Hall, the 4-1 massacre. That's a defining moment. Nothing else. Everything else fell into place. It's been nip and tuck all the way, you know, but the massacre at Park Hall, 4-1, was the difference.
Aaron, pencampwyr gyda Cei Connah am yr ail dymor yn ôl. Sut wyt ti'n teimlo ar hyn o bryd?
Na, mae'n wych. Dyma beth da ni'n gweithio am trwy'r tymor a mae pawb di troi fyny heddiw a mor hapus I ennill.
Dyma dy ddegfed bencampwriaeth di fel chwaraewr. Sdim un chwaraewr arall wedi ennill mwy na ti. Mae rai bod hwnna'n dimlad anhygol.
Mae'n wych, oedd yna lot o cwestiynau o fi'n symud o TNS a lot. A dwi'n meddwl dwi wedi ateb nhw heddiw.
Pa mor heriol mae'r tymor yma wedi bod i ti ar lefel bersonol, ond hefyd i chi fel carfan?
Yn bersonol mae wedi bod yn amser anodd i fi, ond efo'r hogiau wedi helpu fi trwy a mae wedi bod yn wych.
Siarad ni trwy'r gol, ti erioed di neud o mor uchel yna o'r blaen?
Dwi'n hen rhan, so fi'n gwybod os ti'n gallu neud i mor uchel, ond just teimlo o'n dda, just yn hapus i gweld o fi'n fewn.
A pa mor felus oedd o'r diwedd cael dathlu?
Ti'n gwybod, dyna fel tîm da ni'n mynd i dathlu heno, ti'n gwybod, just enjoy ein hun.
We won the title last year. We had to go to the High Court for it to be awarded to us, and then we were taunted with being the real champions, and they were the real champions. Well, now, it's not just about today for me. This is back-to-back titles, and that's how important it was for me. You've got to be careful, because football always comes back to get you. So incredibly proud, and listen, hats off as well to TNS, because they've gone and won the last three, we've won them. I think we're on 79, and I think they're 77. I would say that's probably the record for the top two clubs ever in the Welsh League. So great credit to them. And it was probably, I don't know, about 10 weeks ago, was it something like that? I can't remember, lost the track of time that the new manager came in. So it was important to me, for Scott and for Steve Evans, that we stayed honest and stayed true and made sure we won the league.
George, what an afternoon here at Pen-y-bont. How are you feeling right now?
Oh, buzzing. We knew what we had to do. We knew we had to win here, we thought. So yeah, got the job done and got over the line, good.
And talk us through the goal.
Can't remember much of it. I know it was early on, which settled the nerves a little bit, but yeah, I thought, did they have a shot? We should have maybe a couple more, so we deserve winners, and it was great to finish it today.
It's been such a long season, such a relentless season. How much does it mean not only to win for a second season in a row, but that you did it properly, if you like, this time?
I think so. I think everyone doubted us last year. We're not finishing the season properly, so we've proven to everyone now we're consistent for 18 months, so buzzing, made up for the lads, made up for everyone involved with the club. I think we've deserved it. So
2 championships now. Is this the start of a really special chapter in Connah's Quay's history?
I'm getting on a bit now, so let's hope so. Let's hope we've set a foundation. I think the aim of the club 5 years ago was to get us consistently in Europe, which we've achieved. So hopefully we can kick on now and be up near the top. It's a great advert for the league, us and TNS battling it out. Even the teams behind us, Pen-y-bont, Barry, Bala, the points difference between us and them. So yeah, great for this season now, what we've made up.
Raced a difficult game for Pen-y-bont in the end, but you gave it a very good go.
Yeah, we did. We had a right go, and I'm proud of the players for not rolling over. I think most teams today, they would have folded under the intensity and the desire that Connah's Quay had to get over the line. So really proud of my team, and congratulations to Connah's Quay.
I'm going to speak with my chairman this week. It's been a long 6 years. I've had 9 years now in the Welsh League. I've had 9 European campaigns now, and if I stay, then it's 2 weeks and we're back in training again, and I'm tired. My voice is tired, and my vocal cords are tired. So I'll speak with the chairman this week, and then we'll see where we go from there.
Are you thinking of leaving, Andy? Is this your last game?
I'll have a chat with the chairman in the week. But like I said, it's been a fantastic journey, and we retained the title, and we'll see where we go from there.
Yeah, we had players missing today, but again, hats off to Connah's Quay. They beat us 11v11. We've got players missing, but they may well still be missing against on Sunday. But my team, they're positive and they're aggressive. That we won't back down, and we'll go for it all the way. And whoever plays us in for a tough afternoon.